Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles with a Smith Corona Silent Super Portable Typewriter, and we're just going to take a minute to go over everything. Keyboard wise, it's got a backspace. This is your shift lock. Here's your other shift. This is the margin release. It will let you type outside of your set margins. This is the color selector, so you can use a two-tone ribbon. You see it's got red and black. If you're up, it'll type on the black. Down, it'll type on the red. In the middle is a stencil setting that won't use the ribbon at all. This controls your ribbon direction. If it's up, it'll go from the right spool to the left spool, and if it's down, it'll go back the other way. Under here you have your touch control. If you move this over towards the right, it'll make the keys a little lighter, a little less resistance. And if you move it to the left, it'll make them a little heavier with a little more resistance. Otherwise, it's got this customizable tab feature here. The way that works is if you're typing something in columns, say, and you want to have the same, you want to be able to quickly get to the columns, you basically put the carriage wherever you need it, and then you push this set. We'll mark that. You can do it as many times as you want, all the way across. And then once you've set those, you just use the tab button. We'll take you back exactly where you set those. And then the way you clear them is you just find them again with the tab and you push this clear. And then they should be all removed if you push the tab now. There you go. Controls on the carriage. It's got your carriage releases back there. There's another one over here. What's this back here? This is to center the carriage so that you can put it in the case. You basically just hold that up and it'll stop right when it gets to the center. Then you just flip those down and it's ready to go in the case. Your paper release is here. Pulling it forward will disengage the feed rollers, so you can pull the paper right out. Over here is your line spacing adjustment. It can do single, double, or triple space. And then this is your line retainer. If you turn that off, it won't stop. It'll allow you to do a custom spacing in between lines, and then you turn it back on and it'll snap exactly to the lines. To remove the cover from the case, you just press these two hinges here and it'll come right off. And then to put it back on, just reverse that. And then to put the typewriter in, there's holes in the back that'll lock right onto that, and then you lower it down and it'll latch onto this. And the way you release it is just by pushing that will undo the latch. So that's the Smith Corona Silent Super. It's for sale on eBay. You can find the link in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of our latest items. Thanks.